So this is it guys, we have hit that 100,000 YouTube subscriber mark on our channel and we are super excited to show you this, the silver play button from YouTube.
Yes, I still remember when we first started 5 years ago, our vision was to bring you guys good quality automotive content online. And fast forward to today, we hit our first milestone, which is the 100,000 subscribers, all thanks to each and every one of you guys here. And we are here to bring you guys along with the ride.
Yep, and I've got even more cliche stuff to say because really, without you guys, we wouldn't be able to make it this far, and with your support and encouragement, we are able to do what we love and then share that content with you guys on YouTube. So please continue with us on this exciting journey as we're going to make even more great content for all of you guys. And we'll see you in the next milestone, which is the 1 million subscribers mark.
1 million.
Yep.
You sure?
Yeah, of
Next
course.
year?
Of course. Oh, wow. Sure. See you on YouTube.
See you.